Mga boss, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayong umaga ay tungkol sa isang bagong show na binubuo. Ito ang Young Minds Inspired. Kasama natin ngayong umaga para pag-usapan yan si Brad Mabilog, Bobby Mabilog, at si Nico Evangelista. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This show is about the youth, tama ba? Tungkol sa mga teenagers, actually. And you are all teenagers.
Yes,
Yep.
Young
College
people.
students.
Not only for teenagers, but also for young people and those who are young at heart.
Okay. Okay. Tell us more about this show.
Okay, so basically, this show started out with our band because we have a band called C Major 7 and we wanted to share our music with other people. So we tried to find a way. So my mom, who's actually our manager right now, she came up with this concept of a show. So we don't just share our music in that show. We tried to put more value in that show, and that is how we tried to connect with the youth. Our main audience actually is the youth. So that's why it's called Young Minds Inspired. So that's basically.
So yung added value na ito, tungkol saan ito, Brad?
This added value, it's basically youth as young people being responsible, informed, and ready for life, meaning they can survive na kung sila magluto, gugumawa ng basic things. Yun. And a lot of fun. So may fun din, meaning may jamming, may music, and all sorts.
So ina-expect ba nating magulo tong show na to na marami nangyayari, ganun ba? It's
Medyo pasaway na bongga.
Pasaway na bongga.
Pasaway, pero syempre parang maayos din.
Maayos din. Oo naman,
Makulit,
of course.
makulit. Ganun naman ang mga teenagers, di ba, makulit?
Alright. Nico, maybe I can ask you about the segments din. No? Meron tayong mga segments dun sa show, Idol Kabataan, tama ba?
Yes.
Tungkol saan itong segment na ito?
Yung Idol Kabataan, ito yung show na kung saan kukuha kami ng mga kabataan sa outside na may malaking part na ginagawa sa community natin. For example, last time may kinuha tayong si Mil na nandun siya sa waiting area na Philippine General Hospital. Doon siya, nagtuturo siya ng mga cancer patient habang naghihintay.
Okay.
While they're waiting for chemotherapy,
Okay.
she reads to them children's books and she plays with them.
So basically, mga inspiring initiatives, tama ba, ng
Yeah.
youth, no? Sa
Opo.
from the entire country ba to, or do you have specific
We
areas?
aim to feature as many youth as we can because we want to share their story with our fellow youth.
Tapos meron din tayong Yakang Yaka. Tungkol saan naman ito, Brad?
Yakang Yaka, ito yung part na kung saan matututo ka ng mga pagkain na pwede mong lutuin, lalo na kasi yung youth ngayon, sanay sila nasa harap ng computer, television,
Puro fast food.
puro fast food, puro canned goods. So, hindi na marunong magluto, hindi na marunong gumawa ng basic things, mag-ayos ng kotse. So, we are trying to put
Puro
a
games na lang
segment,
ata yung chores ngayon, eh, no?
puro
Mga
games.
apps na lang sa iPad yung chores.
So, may fun sa paglaba, sa pag-ayos ng kotse, tapos makakatulong pa lalo na kapag mag-isa na sila for independence, basically.
It's not just cooking, it's also helping around the house.
So,
And helping your parents do things around the house.
okay, tapos meron tayong dalawang segments na tungkol naman sa music. Tama ba? Ito yung sa Jam Break, and then we also have yung music videos ninyo.
Yes. Sa Jam Break dito, nag-feature kami ng mga songs, especially old songs. So, nire-revive namin yun.
Okay.
Tapos
Ano bang example ng mga old songs na nire-revive ninyo?
Frank Sinatra.
Okay.
Yung mga napapanood nyo dati ng mga musicals such as Singin' in the Rain. Ano pa ba yung Bob?
I got a crush on you, sweetie pie. Yung gawagano.
Wow! Okay, so binigyan na tayo ng sample ni Bobby. Okay, from all of these, what inspired you to come up with this show? Or ano yung nagtulak sa inyo, no? Na mabuo itong show na to?
basically yung youth. Kasi we believe na sa stage na to, marami kang magagawa. Batang-bata yung katawan mo eh. So, gamitin mo yung pagkakataon na yun para mapabuti yung future mo. So, gamitin natin yung youth natin nang maigi, wag nating sayangin. Kasi laking part ng buhay natin to.
Okay.
And also as young people, we have the responsibility to be active in our country, to help one another, tapos to promote community service, the spirit of community service. Kaya may idol kabataan. As in, hinahanap namin yung mga teenagers, mga young people na nakaka-inspire sa mga ginagawa nila.
Okay, yung show ninyo ay mag-air muna sa Laguna, tama ba? Can you
Channel
give us
6.
more details? Paano yung airing nito sa Laguna?
Okay, so first, at this time, our show will be airing sa Royal Cable, Channel 6, from 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock p.m. every Saturday and Sunday.
Pero
That's
eventually...
Eventually, we will be having our show here also on PTV4.
Okay, so welcome to PTV.
Thank you.
At yung show ninyo, wala pang definite time as of now, no?
Wala pa po, pero soon
Alright.
it will be here.
Okay, how are the preparations? Kumusta? Nakapag-tape na ba kayo ng mga episodes ninyo?
Nagsisimula pa lang, pero we already have 2 episodes prepared. So, katapos continuous pa yung process. So, ayun, scheduling na lang ng show dito sa PTV4.
Alright, so okay, maybe you can invite ang ating mga viewers para manood ng inyong show, particularly sa Laguna, at para maengganyo rin yung ating mga viewers.
Okay, so please watch our show. It's called YMI, or Young Minds Inspired. It will be airing on Royal Cable, Channel 6, and it will be showing at Saturday and Sunday from 7 o'clock to 9 p.m. But soon also, we will be here on PTV4, so abangan nyo yan.
Okay, maraming salamat, Brad, Bobby, and Nico. Mga boss, marami pa tayong pag-uusapan. Talaga nakaka-inspire ang kabataan ngayon at marami tayong pwedeng gawin bilang bahagi ng youth.